I don't see the pictures that you're taking, but so much the passion I see inside the picture, it really looks good inside my head. Every detail is important. I need to see what to do. Also tomorrow, you also need to take some pictures of my brother. He obviously needs to also have a selling point for himself. This is not make-believe, this is what we do. We are not trying to make them believe anything. This is what we do. Just want to sell our idea to them, like, yeah, we're not trying to convince you, it's actually what we do. So that phone has enough storage.